you say to her? Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. And you also have this one. I know. I'm trying to whip this. Not yet.
Watch her open hers first.
Wait, he still has one more.
Oh, you can open your other one, and then I'll open the Bakugan for you.
No, I can open the Bakugan by myself. Then open
All right. Why don't you open your present while he's open? Be careful, because I think is there a card in there? Not you.
Please open this, Mommy.
What did Brennan get you?
A live doll. That you always wanted.
Now I know you had that on your list to Santa, didn't you?
Santa's watching and he knows not to get.
I figured as much. I figured he'd be watching tonight.
Awesome!
What'd you get?
I don't know, but it's kind of cool. I think I've seen one of these. It's the Frisbee, and you throw it, it turns into a ball. It'd be a good toy to bring to North Carolina. Awesome! Thank you, Lindsay. Merry Christmas again.
Can you give her a hug?
Thank you.
You know.
Thank you.
Now you have to save these cards. That's what's important, I think.
Guys, look at the camera. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry